Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a 360 wig. So I'm just jumping straight into the video and showing you everything that I'm going to be using in this video. This is the hair right here. It's a 360 wig. It came with 3 combs and a pre-plucked frontal, but I still went ahead to pluck it just a little bit more. But if you're fine with the way it looks right here, you can definitely rock it just the way it is. First off, I'm going to start by bleaching the knots on the frontal. This is the bleach and developer I used, and this is the paintbrush I used to apply the bleach. You definitely want to wear gloves because these are very strong chemicals. So I started by placing a foil paper on the table where I used to bleach my frontal. Right now, I'm just mixing the bleach and the developer. You want to mix it to a very thick consistency. So right here I'm just putting in all the products, the developer and the bleach, and now I'm mixing it up. You want to mix it very well. You want the consistency to be very fine. You can see how it is right now. You want it to be this thick so it doesn't go through the lace into the hair. So now I'm just placing it very lightly. You don't want to press it down on the lace too hard so it doesn't seep through and go into your hairline. Trust me, that has happened to me. That has happened many times. You don't want that at all. So I bleached the frontal in the front and at the back. So after doing all this, you want to go ahead and wash. So I used the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner to wash it off camera. Then the next clip now, I'm going to show you guys how I installed and styled this wig from Eayon hair. I just left the bleach on for like 5 to 10 minutes and then washed it off. So this is my gorgeous model, Anita. I just started by making cornrows on her hair like you can see me do right now. I just did like 6 or 5 even. So this is what it looks like. I just braided all of them into one braid. Then I went ahead to use alcohol to clean a hairline where I will be placing the wig cap. Like I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, the hair came with wig cap. It came with 2 different wig caps, 2 different colors. The one I'm going to use on her and one for a darker person. So first off, I'm using the Got2b gel to take all our hair back before I place the wig cap on. So this is the wig cap right now. I placed it on, then cut out holes around the ears so that the ears can come out like I'm doing right now. Yeah, so you want to make sure you do this so it's nice and flat around the ears. Then I went ahead with the Got2b spray and I'm just spraying it on our hairline. Then I used the blow dryer to dry until it was dry. Then I took a scissors to cut the excess part of the wig cap like I'm doing right here. After cutting all off, I used her color of foundation to apply on the front part of the wig cap where I will be placing the lace frontal. So now it's time to rock this baby. I went ahead to use the alcohol again to clean where I'm going to put the glue I'm using. So the glue I'm using is the Ghost Bond glue. I'm sorry, I thought I showed you guys, but I'm going to leave it in my description box down below. This is the Ghost Bond lace glue. So I started out with 1 layer, like I'm dotting right now. You want to do this in sections. So I do the middle first, then the left side, then the right side. So right now I'm showing you guys the middle. So I'm just spreading it out, then I dried it until it dried clear. Then I went in with another layer. So I did this like 4 times because she wanted the hair to be on for a while. So if you do this more than 1 time, it will last for a long time. So when it dried clear after the 4th coat, I proceeded to put the hair on, and you can see right now I'm melting it in using a tail comb, sorry, and I'm still drying it so that it's really dry and really firm and really melted. Guys, this hairline though. So I did that on the left and the right side, and when I was done, I just went ahead to use blade to cut off the excess lace. Then I'm packing the hair up right now so I can cut off the I'm packing the hair up right now so I can go ahead and do the back part of the wig. So now I'm doing the back. I went ahead to use the Got2b spray gel for the back, but you can still use the Ghost Bond, but we're running out of time, so I used the Got2b glue. So the same process, dry it, melt it in, then cut off the excess lace when you're done, like I'm doing right now. After I was done, I went ahead to use a scarf and tie down her hair for the duration of when I did her makeup. So right now we are back and I have beat her face to the gods. Now it's time to style this hair. I just went ahead to put water in a spray bottle and I sprayed it generously all through the hair. This Ghost Bond glue is waterproof, by the way. So I just sprayed our whole hair with water. By the time I was done, I used the Cantu moisturizing curl activator cream to apply all over the hair. Get into this hair, guys. So by the time I was done doing all that, I used this Above styling mousse to style the front part of her hair to give it that whole relaxed looking front hair vibe. I don't know whether you guys get what I mean. And I use the tail comb to really brush the hairs in very well, like I'm doing right now. So now I'm just taking a little bit of hair in the front that I'm going to use for baby hairs, and I went ahead to use blade to cut them to the desired length that I wanted. Then I used the Got2b gel to lay down the edges. And that's it, guys. That is it. So right now she's rocking the hair in an updo. You guys can see the back looks really natural. This was my first attempt at a 360 wig and I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Like I said, the hair is from Eayon hair. I'm going to leave all the links and details and everything in the description box down below if you're interested in purchasing this hair. And yes, guys, I do make hair, so if you're interested in booking an appointment, I'm going to leave my email in the description box down below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye.